Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction here in beautiful Bel Air Bluffs, Florida. That's right, I moved from Seminole. I'm in some new digs, and today I have in a 2021 BMW BX7 Alpina edition. The gentleman trades in cars about every 2 years, so he wanted a short-term type coating, but a great coating, and we went with Dallas Paint Correction T3. I'm going to coat this entire vehicle, but I'm going to show you just a little trick right now as far as getting on the barrels of the car. I'll give you a nice side view here, right? So you can, of course, jack the car up. Maybe you've got a lift in your shop. That's awesome. Maybe you've got a lift in your home. That's awesome. I don't have a lift. What I do have is paint correction light. This is an Astro Pneumatic 50 SL, right? It's important to have really good lighting. I will be putting on the Dallas Paint Correction T3. This is a 3-year ceramic titanium coating, and this is going to be a little bit tricky, and I'm not actually going to, apply the coating. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. You're just going to have to imagine the drops on it, right? Really not that big a deal. I'm also going to be a self-camera holder. So what I've got here is a Swiffer little dusting brush, and this thing fits quite nicely into this autosaver. It's called a half mitt, and it's got a little plastic liner in here. It saves product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a few lines of ceramic coating down this, and then I'm going to reach into the barrel. Hope you can see that. Okay, let me get you a little closer here. Sorry about my shoddy camera work. And then I kind of just keep a finger on this, and I can go back across this barrel and get all of it. And I'll do like every other one. I will come in the next one, and I will go back and forth, and I will just put the coating on. Now, you don't really have to worry about leveling inside the barrel with a cloth like this. Kind of back you away a little bit. But for the exterior of the wheels and behind all these beautiful, beautiful spokes, right? I cut the supplied suede microfiber cloths that come when you order many different types of coatings. You can order them online, of course, as well. And I will, again, put a few drops of ceramic coating on this, and I will start, and I will reach behind. You can take this and roll it over, get back behind the spokes, and then go to the front half, get every little nook and cranny, just go over the entire thing, and then come in with a leveling cloth, which is a low lint specific type of microfiber towel, and then just level everything out after a moment or so, depending on your flash time. So anyway, just a little trick. This little tool has been quite the saver for me. I put actually the duster on it that it's intended to use, and I will put the paint prep and prep the inside of the wheel after a thorough cleaning. So I'm sure to have a very, very clean surface to apply my coating. So hope you enjoyed that. Again, just a little tip trick that I use, and it has been very successful for me. So until next time, I'll give you a view of this beautiful Alpina edition BMW, and I am going to get her in the garage after I go over these wheels and apply the T3 to the entire vehicle. I address some scratches, some imperfections, some watermarks, and she is all prepped and ready to go. I will apply it on the glass, the plastics, the headlights, everything, and she will be wrapped. And then I will be having a maintenance package actually once a week. I will be keeping up on this vehicle afterwards to make sure it stays beautiful. So again, thank you for being with me. I'm going to give you one nice view here of this beautiful beast. And until next time, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Thank you very much. Be sure and hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, bing, so that you are alerted to new videos as they come out. Comment, like, share, do all the things you need to do to help this channel grow. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks and take care.